Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. It's Thursday, 9th July. Unemployment claims today at 2:30 p.m. Central European Time Zone. What's up, Christian? I'm still not fixed my camera. It's gonna be fixed soon. But for the live stream, it doesn't matter, I guess, if I got the camera or not. Focus should be here on the main screen, not on the camera, so it's okay. Christian, all good, getting ready for work soon. Okay, so you got the night shift, right? Unemployment claims today, outcome same as previous, same as last week, nothing changed. It's very similar to the forecast, so low impact for the market play more with the sentiment, with technicals, not with the news. And tomorrow we have no stream and there is also no news. So let's move to the chart. Gold bounced out of our buy zone, that was the sell zone, never tapped. I probably remove that zone soon, but we get into buy zone, we talk about it after market open, after market close and before open, just in the break time. I sent the idea for gold buys. Here. That was gold for the Asia session. And let's check it. Tap into the zone again, like here. Tap to the zone, fly up. If you play pending order what I'm talking about yesterday, I'm explaining how to play pending order. You are now 1 to 3 and 1 to 3.5 overall max move for today. It's still about push to the upside. So great idea. Also great idea here. 15 minutes. One to the 4, 1 to 4, and gold is rolling. Now I see 15 minutes range here. We have 15 minutes structure, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, and maybe higher low for push to the upside. That zone is very aggressive, it's already tapped, but when we zoom out we can see liquidity sweep here. After the liquidity sweep market tends to do, after liquidity sweep, market tends to do deeper pullback. So if market decides to do the bigger pullback, we can move for the 1 hour structure. Fips 61 to 78, fixed volume range show nothing. There is only one zero imbalance. Liquidity here. And Fips. So aggressive zone already tapped, so market can just fly. We are still above EMA 20 on the 15 minutes time frame. We already tapped the zone. So maybe market wants to accumulate and go higher, or if we going for the bigger pullback after the liquidity sweep of the previous lower high, I think we do bigger one into this box and fly higher. So two zones, maybe for the scalpers here. That first one, second one for the swing traders, intraday traders, and target. Let me know if gold is clean for you. I see things like that a lot of time when the market just getting slow on the New York. I see a lot of things like this. Market can choppy till end of the day, and Tokyo maybe start to do something push or downside. But that was the zone for the 15 minutes range. I'm not a super fan of this zone. I'm not a fan because it's more like a scalper wise. I like this one. Also, if you send pending order here yesterday for the Tokyo, GG for you. Market tapped and fly. So 1, 2 beautiful setups on gold. Literally yesterday 2 setups, because that was first one, and yeah, and that was today, hit today the zone. Christian said clear, so we can move ahead, I guess. That will be disgusting. And with trade here and trade here, I recommend to manage the idea, because as you see, zone for the bounce is higher than entries, than this entry and this one. So when zone for the buys, for the next buys is higher, you can easily go break even, or maybe in profit. Maybe you can go there with stop loss, just here below this zone. So you always milk something if market want to go against you. Yep, this is gold. And targets for gold. I like to use 4-hour structure now. Target can be here, 175, 200 and 360. I will not TP higher. Full target, TP1, TP2. We can also use this structure as a TP1, as a TP2. Yeah, maybe better. Okay, gold should be clean. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar tapped the sell zone yesterday. Do the 1 to 2 risk to reward. It's now 1 to 1. Go break even for sure. Can it return to the zone? Yeah, of course it can. But I want to see it lower for buys out of here. Dollar needs more time. You see, dollar is slow now. It's not like here or here. It's very slow. Silver pushing to the upside. Yesterday we talked on the live with entry. Now almost 1 to 2 risk to reward 1.82. 1 to 2 is here. That was top of the candle. You can manage the idea. But we call it on the live session yesterday, bonus session FOMC. S&P. S&P is still trying to push. Break even never hit, but hit buys zone again and going to the upside. If you play with pending, 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3 bit above, it's now 1 to 1.5. Playing the zone is also good. You don't need to use break of structure always, because I see the break of structure can mess a lot of traders because they are impatient. They use break of structure on the 1 minute chart when we need to use higher time frame. So if you have a trouble with recognize correct break of structure or engulfing candles, engulfing volume, you can just play zone. I explained it yesterday. If you want to see how I play zone and pending orders, you can just rewatch FOMC bonus session from yesterday. So everything is running, you know. Dollar running to the downside. Gold running to the upside. Two zones. If you miss this one, I send another one. So you can't miss it. So dollar, gold, silver on the live session, catch here, running to the upside. S&P tap the buy zone, running to the upside. Euro USD still waiting. Euro is still waiting. If we go down from where is that now, I will leave it. For me that's gonna be okay. If we just go down from where is that now, I'm sitting on my hands and it's okay. We tapped the trap candle, so we'll see. GU, yeah, GU just removed that zone. Yesterday I also break it down, also talk about GU last week. We had the zone, but I'm not touching GU for sales. And I don't like GU anyway. So skip. Swiss franc same as dollar, running to the downside. Sweep the red line and running to the downside. Wait for buys here. How you can play sell position? That was 4-hour structure, right? Yeah, that was 4-hour structure. So 15 minutes BOS for 4-hour structure. First was here. One to two and return for stop loss. Second was here. 1-to-1. A bit not worth to play, so let's check the 5 minute. Five minute also nothing. So that was hard to play. Only that stop loss makes sense there. And it's gonna be 1 to 3.5. After stop loss, that position makes sense. Only that stop loss size makes sense here. With break of structure. With pending order, stop above this or above this one. It's pretty big, so also not worth. If you play pending with stop above this high, you get swept. So only logical entry was here. 5 minute BOS here or 15 minutes BOS here. Stop above the high. That was only logical entry for the CHF, and entry here, stop loss. Hit stop loss. Hit 1 to 2, but after that hit stop loss. So it depends if you scalp for 1 to 2 or if you go break even, or I don't know, anything. If you hold with stop loss, it hits you out. Bitcoin, that guy annoying me. I already tapped 0.5, but I'm not playing Bitcoin. Just skip. And oil. Damn. We said it yesterday. If I'm not wrong, yeah. We marked the sells. And it's it's 0.5 risk to reward, negative risk to reward for now, but overall it can be 1 to 4.5. It's also running to the downside. Don't tell me about Bitcoin. We tried 2 times and this pumped up. Yeah. Bitcoin annoying me a bit. Not gonna lie. But man, we got the oil from yesterday on live. Here, on this candle, we got oil. We got Swiss franc. We got S&P. We got silver. Oh. We got gold and dollar. I'm not playing every of these assets. I'm playing gold for sure. And oil short. But I'm shorting it today. That was somewhere here. Yeah, that was somewhere here when I shorted oil. $1 o'clock? No, that was... Which time? Yeah, 73.3. So that was this level. I got short oil here. And now I need to move to break even. Because I don't like it. I want to protect my capital. Okay guys, let me know if everything is clean for you. Tomorrow we have a Friday, so no stream. I need to try to fix that camera for real. And finally maybe I'm start adding 2 more videos for the beginners. I'm added in Polish language, but they're going to be English spells and should be for every language. Yeah, I hope I do it tomorrow or something like that when I fix the camera. What I want to say more. Yeah, in the future I will drop a semi-pro playlist, but I also need to record it. It's gonna be in English for sure, and yeah, in the future. I don't know if after the summer or maybe one day. Trump did it again. Trump is sick, man. He just want to continue the circus with kebabs. Hamburgers between kebabs. Still fighting. What a surprise. Lol. I'm agree with you. Maybe it's not that problem. I guess it's something deeper. It's deeper issue. Sell it. Let's go. Is pushing it, I believe. Yeah, probably. It's a it can be deeper talk about policy control and things like that. It can be deeper talk. I don't want to talk about countries and names because I worry about strike from YouTube. And he can cut the quality of the stream again, so I don't want to talk much about it here. Let's let's leave that channel for live trading. Yeah. Once you step there, they have everything to wreck you. And our orange friend maybe have had some files, uncomfortable files. That's why the leader of the aggressive country hold him in his hands. I don't know, I don't have a data, but it's most likely some files on Orange Man. Yeah, for sure. In Discord we can talk about everything. So guys, I guess that's gonna be it from myself. As we see market disrespect war news, because oil running down, gold running up, dollar running down, and every asset going opposite, so market just disrespect the war news and go with the technicals. I love it because I am a technicals player and I like when market go with technicals. I don't like when geopolitics mess my analysis, because you can do everything correct, but one post, one news can destroy all of it. So that's why Orange Man era is hard to play on the market. But when we survive it, we're going to be unstoppable. Okay guys, that's gonna be it from myself. We see again at Sunday. At Sunday is also party in my country. Yeah, I'm sorry, in my town. There is a party, town party. So we do the rabbit hole earlier, around afternoon. I don't know which hour, but it's gonna be something between 2 and 4 p.m. Central European time zone. Something like that. Because I can be not able to do the session at evening. I will let you know on Saturday or tomorrow, we'll see, but most likely Saturday. I will let you know which hour I will do the rabbit hole. It's only for upcoming Sunday. Next Sunday will be with a regular schedule. Christian, doing to get ready for work. Take care and have a nice weekend. Thank you, Christian. I'm also finished the session, as I'm said. Thank you guys for being here with me today. I hope you get some value from today's session. If you want to ask me something, let's do it on the Discord. We see again at Sunday. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice rest of the day. And be patient. Bye bye.